Hi there. So today's screencast is going to show you how to create a works cited page using the website Cite This For Me and also Google Scholar. On your works cited page, once we have our citations formatted correctly, I will show you how to alphabetize them, double space, and use a hanging indent. So the first thing we're going to look at is Google Scholar, and we're going to do our research over the Scottsboro trials since we are about to begin to read To Kill a Mockingbird. And if you'll remember from Google Scholar, it tells us what type of product we will be looking at. And Google Scholar makes your citations very simple in that you can just say you want to use this book. You just click your citations. You need to choose which format your works cited will be in. These are your primary ones. MLA is for the humanities and arts. APA is more your sciences. And we are going to be in English class, so we will be using MLA. So we will just copy that. Gonna copy it. And then we want to go to our Word document and paste it in there. So here's our Word document, and we want to go ahead and format that correctly. Times New Roman, 12-point font. We will center the works cited title, and then we want to go back to a left alignment, and we want the spacing double space from here on out. Now I'm going to paste the citation that I had, and then I will be ready to paste in the next one as soon as I have it cited. So let's go back to the website Cite This For Me and see how to cite research and resources in there. So here we are in the Cite This For Me website, and I have already done a little bit of checking to find some sources we could use. Here is a website that I want to use. I'm going to copy that URL. I'm going to go to Cite This For Me. Again, we're using MLA citation style. That was a website. I will choose that. Paste in the address. Say search. Now it's pulled this one. That is the one I want. I will say cite. Cite This For Me is going to provide all the information it found. What it couldn't find, it will list here. As I continue, it's going to ask me if I can find any of that additional information. So author's first and last name, publisher, and access date. So I'm going to go back here, and this is at the bottom of the web page. I'm going to look for author's name, publisher, access date. So A&E Television Networks, access date June 13th. So let's say publisher, A&E publisher. And access date was June 13th. A&E Television Networks. I said that wrong. Let's go A&E Television Networks. Now, if I did not have some information to provide, you can leave that blank. It's okay. So here we have first name, last name. I'm going to leave that blank to show you what it looks like. Complete citation. Citation completed. Here it is. So we want to copy that bibliography citation. And then I can go back to my Microsoft Word document and paste it in. Here we are back in the Microsoft Word document, and I am going to paste that citation in. Now I want to make sure we are all in the same format. So Times New Roman, 12-point font. Your citations should be alphabetized This one is already alphabetized, G and then H, but you also need this to be double spaced, and you need to have a hanging indent. So a hanging indent is when the second line of your citation, or third line, or however many lines there are, is brought in from the first line. It's the opposite of your regular normal indent. I'm going to grab that top line and bring it back. There. And then I would go to my next citation, and then you just want to make sure that you also alphabetize between the first letter once you have the citation. And that's all you have to do to create your Works Cited page.